Welcome back, everyone, to Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Monday, March 25th. Hope you all had a great weekend. Just wanted to remind everyone that it's a shortened weekend this week with Easter weekend on Sunday. Friday, the markets will be closed, so there won't be a podcast this Friday, obviously, since the markets are closed. But let's jump right into the breadth numbers here. So on Monday, we had 403 new highs versus 147 new lows, and 38% of shares were advancing versus 57% declining for the day. Looking at the 50-day moving average, you had 35% of stocks below its 50, and you had 32% of shares below its 200-day moving average. Taking a look at the indices, I would say it was more to the bear side today. You had the Dow down 162 points, but a lot of that was Boeing. You had NASDAQ down 44 points or 0.27%, and the S&P 500 down 0.3% today. Looking at kind of the mega cap landscape, the only Magnificent Seven that were green were NVIDIA, Amazon, and Tesla. NVIDIA was up 0.76%, Amazon 0.47%, and Tesla up 1.05%. You also had Microsoft down 1.37, Apple down 0.83, Google down 0.41, and Meta down 1.29. However, there were many other mega cap names in the red, like Walmart was down 0.5%, Costco was down 0.5%, P&G was down almost 1%. You had names in financial services like Visa down 0.72, JP Morgan down 0.92, MasterCard down 0.117, Home Depot down 1.74. So, taking a look at the sectors, it was a fairly defensive type of day. The leading sector in the green was energy, and the leading sector to the red was industrials and technology. So, kind of a sneaky bearish day today. However, I have to give kudos to Reddit. On Friday, I had coined the podcast Reddit Losers. Well, today we're going to call it Reddit Winners. Reddit closed up 38% on the session. Pretty remarkable there. Keep in mind this IPO'd on Thursday, so let's watch pretty closely what happens here with Reddit moving forward. A couple other notables was Bitcoin in general was up a lot today. MicroStrategy was soaring, and then you had chip names like Micron up 6.2% on the day. Just to kind of give you a sampling of what was strong. You obviously had Reddit, like I mentioned, up 38%. MicroStrategies was up 21.86%. IBIT, which is the Bitcoin ETF, up 11.37%. Many of these are going to be Bitcoin related. FBTC up 11.25, BTCO up 11.24, BRRR up 11.19, ARKB up 11.14, Coinbase up 9.47, SMCI up 7.2, ARM Holdings up 3.1, Disney up 3.01, Carvana up 2.87, Sweetgreen up 2.03, PayPal up 1.9. What was weak, you had names like BITI, which is the inverse of Bitcoin, down 11.11%, New York Community Bank down 5.93%, Backblaze down 4.72%, Lyft down 3.17%, Etsy down 3.05%, VinFast Auto down 2.62%, Natural Gas down 2.41%, Zillow Group down 2.37%, Birkenstocks down 2.31%, Yext down 2.28%, ACMR down 2.2%, and Intel down 1.74% on that news that AMD and Intel will no longer be allowed in China. So for free members, keep watching yields, the Magnificent Seven, Semiconductor Index, and NVIDIA. But today was kind of like a sneaky bearish day, but nothing to panic over. Things are still longer term in the bulls camp here. Premium members, please stay on.